Good morning, good afternoon, hello, it's Sunday. Right, so I've got a bit of a different one today. It's not mechanical related, but stick with it. It's a local business, small business appreciation post. Let's have a look. So, Candy Garage, local Lincoln business. Awesome sweets, by the way. I will put the website below and I will actually tag her below as well. So if you've got any questions, you can ask her and she'll answer them. But there's an event going on in Lincoln today, which is like this big bouncy castle park. Jack might tell you more about it in a second. Anyway, she was attending this, but the weather's been terrible, and unfortunately she couldn't attend today. My son Jack was down to attend today at this bouncy castle thing. He went absolutely soaking. He's not in the best of moods. Anyway, that's all going to change, and I'm going to show you why in a second, but this is very Candy Garage related. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I'm on about, so I don't look so mad. Right, Jack, you are on camera. He doesn't always look this nervous, but like I said, the bouncy castle course has done him in. Are you tired, mate?
Yes.
You are, right. So he's had good fun, good crack. However, you wanted some sweets from the Candy Garage, didn't you?
Yes.
Do you like her sweets? Do you think they're cool?
Yeah.
Right. So Jack says the Candy Garage sweets are really good. So I'd already had an order. I'd already put an order in, you know, support small businesses. So I put an order in. And I just let her know this morning that, because we'd seen a post, and she says, I'm not going to be there. I was a little bit gutted. Jack was gutted, wasn't you, mate?
Yeah, because it was raining very hard.
I think you cried, didn't you?
Yeah.
But that's just because you're just an emotional person, aren't you?
I kind of did get stuck on a few.
Yeah, well, that's different, isn't it? Yeah. That's different. That was a good fun. But this is about, you wanted some sweeties, didn't you?
Yes.
You wanted to see the Candy Garage and you wanted to buy some sweeties. I say you buy some sweeties. It was either going to be me or your mum on it.
Yes.
It'd have been mummy. Right. So she wasn't going to be there. She's a little bit upset. So we sent a message, didn't we?
Yes.
Sent a message. And then she come back with this. So what an absolute legend, by the way. So I went to pick my order up. She does these orders. You order it online. You can go pick it up. And of course, me being me, I've undone the upside down bit. So in with the order that I paid for, by the way, guys, for you lot out there saying, oh, you got it for free. No, I paid for the order. But within the order, it says Jack's box. Right? And we knew note about this. But this is because he was upset. Now, does he look like a kid that's upset now? Candy Garage has made his day. So he's going to do an unboxing on camera now. So shall we let him at it? Mummy, shall we let him at it?
Yes, please.
Right, he's doing our head in about this. He wants to open it. So go on, Jack. You're going to do an unboxing on camera. You're going to show us exactly what you've got.
So I've got these two.
What are they?
They
have a look.
are...
Let's have a look.
I don't know.
You don't know. You can read. So you got some popping candy.
I've got something... I've got a
Whoa,
water...
slow down.
I've got a
What's this?
water...
You got a shark bite candy lollipop. Now that's cool, isn't it? Oh my days. Is that for me or you, Jack? And what's this?
Oh, what?
A sweet super soaker. Oh dear. He needs no excuses to squirt anyone with water. This one. Keep going, mate.
Oh.
Oh man, you have been spoiled rotten, haven't you? Minecraft Pez. Oh wow.
I've definitely been spoiled.
What's this? Candy Factory sour powder. Oh dear me. That's going to turn your face inside out, mate, isn't it?
Yeah.
All these are available, guys, on the Candy Garage website as well for you to purchase.
A purple one.
A purple shark bite. That can eat that one, can't it?
Yep.
They could have a fallout, can't they?
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, Jack, you have been absolutely spoiled rotten. That's Vimto candy floss. I didn't even know that was a thing.
I don't know either.
Now you do. Oh, wow.
What?
What are these? Can't read them, you know.
Okay.
That says freaky. I guess that's going to make you pull some weird faces, mate. But you don't need any introduction to that, do you? Oh, mate, that's just going, isn't it?
That's just going.
What's this? A zoo pop?
Ooh, chocolate.
What's that?
Chocolate.
That's a refresher bar. That's a Coke, cherry cola flavoured refresher bar.
I am definitely gonna love that.
Some Pez. Oh, mate, you are spoilt rotten. Absolutely spoilt rotten.
These.
That popping candy.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. Popping candy.
Yeah, I love popping candy.
Oh, mate, you got another zoo pop.
And another chocolate bar.
Absolutely not chocolate, dude. It's a chew bar.
Yep.
Yeah, you'll get there. Oh my days. Right, hold them up, don't be silly. Now that's a screenshot right there, isn't it? That is a screenshot. And here you go, guys. This is just my little plug, because what a business. So there's the website. Then there you go, lot. I'll read that to you on camera. Hope you have fun today at the inflatable theme park. So sorry I wasn't there. Here's a box of treats to share to make you smile. Love the Candy Garage. Now, what an absolute company, guys. So Jack's never been a materialistic person at all, and he would never expect that. And I'd never expect that at all. That is unbelievable. So it's like Christmas. We've got a 6-year-old in a sweet shop. Quite literally, mate, haven't we? So these are Jack's words, by the way. There's no script here, mate. I've not told you to say anything, have I, mate?
Nope.
What do you want to say to the Candy Garage?
Thank you
What for?
for all these sweets.
And what are you going to do with them?
Eat them all.
Good answer. Good answer. You're going to eat them all.
Yes.
Love that. Right, shall we leave you to it, mate?
Yes.
All right. He's mesmerised. And there we go, guys. So that's just a little bit of small business support. What a phenomenal gesture. That was unexpected by me, unexpected by his mum, and definitely unexpected by Jack. I'm not 100% sure he's going to be through these this side of Christmas. I'm sure he'll give it a good go, though. But again, guys, I'm going to tag the Candy Garage below, a website and everything like that. You've seen, that's what small businesses are all about. Yeah, if you was a multinational millionaire business, you wouldn't have got that. You're just a number. But small businesses, phenomenal. That boy's well chuffed. I don't even know what to say. And his mum's probably thinking, oh, wow, it's a 6 weeks holidays as well. And that's a lot of sugar. By the by, guys.
Next week.
By the way, guys, thank you again. Candy Garage, amazing. Jack's going to enjoy it. I'm terrified for what today brings now. Anyway, thank you so much. And I will see you in the next one.